Someone landed on my site at 11 at night. They asked a question. Nobody answered. By the morning, they'd booked with somebody else. That's the part nobody tells you. Most visitors never fill in a form. They ask one thing, and if no answer comes back, they're gone. Here's a test you can run right now. Open your own website and try to ask a question. If there's no way to get an answer in 10 seconds, you're losing people every single day. So I tried Website Chatbot. Free plan, no card. Look here, you sign up and you're straight in. No setup call, no sales guy. Then you add a chatbot. Give it a name, paste your website in, and that's it. This part surprised me. It scans your whole site and learns it. My pages, my services, my opening hours read in seconds. I didn't write a single answer myself. Then the widget. Pick a style, change the colors, drop in your own avatar. You watch it change live on the right while you click. Now the install. Copy this one line of code, go to your site, open the footer, paste it right before the closing body tag, and save. Click Verify. Installed and working, the bubble is live, and that's it. It answers visitors while I sleep. It books appointments. It catches the email before they leave. When it can't answer something, it hands off to me in one click. Leads started showing up in the inbox. People who would have just closed the tab. Go to website chatbot.io and start free. No card, nothing to install on your computer. Add your site, let it scan, paste one line, and you're done in 10 minutes. Every visitor you don't answer today is a lead somebody else gets tomorrow. Tell me in the comments, what's the first question your customers always ask?